been battling persistent fatigue, digestive problems, or even unexplained weight loss, parasites could be the culprit. In this video, we'll dive into the world of parasites, explore how they can affect your body, and reveal some of the most effective natural foods that can help you eliminate them and restore your health. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to regaining your vitality and achieving optimal wellness. Let's start by understanding what parasites are and how they affect our bodies. Parasites are organisms that live on or inside another organism, known as the host, from which they derive benefits at the host's expense. They come in various forms, including worms, protozoa, and ectoparasites like lice and fleas. Each type has a different life cycle and mode of transmission, which affects how they impact your health. Intestinal parasites are among the most common and well-known types. They include roundworms, tapeworms, and hookworms. Roundworms, like Ascaris lumbricoides, are large tube-shaped worms that can grow up to 12 inches long. They live in the intestines, feeding on the nutrients from your food. Infected individuals might experience symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, nausea, and diarrhea. Severe infestations can lead to malnutrition and impaired growth, particularly in children. Tapeworms, such as Taenia saginata and Taenia solium, are another type of intestinal parasite. These flat, segmented worms can grow up to 30 feet long and attach themselves to the walls of the intestines. They absorb nutrients directly from the host, leading to weight loss, malnutrition, and abdominal discomfort. Tapeworm infections often occur through consuming undercooked or contaminated meat. Hookworms, such as Ancylostoma duodenale and Necator americanus, are parasitic worms that attach to the intestinal walls and feed on blood. This can cause anemia, fatigue, and gastrointestinal symptoms. Hookworms are often transmitted through contaminated soil, and prevention involves good hygiene and wearing protective footwear. Protozoa are single-celled parasites that can cause severe health issues. Giardia lamblia, for example, is a protozoan that causes giardiasis, leading to chronic diarrhea, stomach cramps, and nausea. Entamoeba histolytica is another protozoan that can cause amoebiasis, resulting in dysentery and liver abscesses. Protozoa are typically spread through contaminated water and food, making proper sanitation and water purification crucial. Now that we have a solid understanding of the different types of parasites and their impact on health, let's explore how you can combat these invaders using natural remedies. One of the most effective foods for parasite elimination is garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern research supports its effectiveness in fighting parasites. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound known for its antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties. Allicin works by disrupting the metabolic processes of parasites and preventing their reproduction. It also enhances the immune system, helping your body fight off infections more effectively. To maximize the benefits, consume garlic raw or in supplement form. Adding minced garlic to your meals or drinking garlic-infused water can be highly effective. Be sure to let the garlic sit for a few minutes after chopping to activate the allicin. Another powerful food for parasite removal is pumpkin seeds. These seeds have been used in traditional medicine to expel parasites, and scientific studies confirm their effectiveness. Pumpkin seeds contain cucurbitacin, a compound that paralyzes parasites in the digestive tract, making it easier for your body to expel them. Eating a handful of raw pumpkin seeds daily or incorporating them into your smoothies, salads, or baked goods can help support your body's natural detoxification processes. Papaya is another excellent food for eliminating parasites. This tropical fruit contains the enzyme papain, which helps break down proteins in parasites and aids in their removal. Papaya seeds also have anti-parasitic effects and can be consumed directly or blended into smoothies. Regular consumption of papaya can improve overall gut health and boost your immune system. Enjoy fresh papaya as a snack or incorporate it into salads and smoothies for a delicious way to support your health. Turmeric is a golden spice known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, but it also has anti-parasitic effects. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps detoxify the liver and supports the digestive system, creating an environment that is less hospitable for parasites. To include turmeric in your diet, add it to curries, soups, and smoothies, or drink turmeric tea. Pairing turmeric with black pepper enhances its absorption, making it more effective. Ginger is another versatile root with natural anti-parasitic properties. Ginger improves digestion, reduces nausea, and helps expel parasites from the digestive tract. Fresh ginger can be added to teas, soups, or stir-fries, or consumed in supplement form. Ginger's ability to support digestion and reduce inflammation makes it an excellent addition to your diet, especially if you're dealing with digestive issues or parasitic infections. Coconut is another food that can aid in parasite elimination. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties that help combat parasites. Coconut water helps flush out toxins and supports hydration. Incorporate coconut oil into your cooking or take it as a supplement, and drink coconut water regularly to support your body's natural cleansing processes. Coconut also provides essential nutrients that can enhance your overall health. Cloves are a spice with powerful anti-parasitic effects. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound with strong antimicrobial and anti-parasitic properties. Using cloves in your cooking or making clove tea can help cleanse your system and support digestive health. Simply boil a few cloves in water to make clove tea, or add cloves to your recipes for an extra boost in flavor and health benefits. In addition to these specific foods, maintaining a balanced diet rich in fiber is essential for overall health and parasite elimination. Foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, support a healthy digestive tract and aid in the removal of parasites. Fiber helps keep your digestive system regular, which is crucial for flushing out toxins and waste. Staying hydrated is also important for supporting your body's natural detoxification processes and maintaining overall health. Practicing good hygiene is another critical component of preventing and managing parasitic infections. Always wash your hands thoroughly before eating or preparing food, and ensure that your food and water are clean and properly prepared. Avoid consuming raw or undercooked meat, and be cautious when traveling to areas with known parasitic risks. Regular health checkups and consultations with a healthcare professional can help detect and address parasitic infections early, ensuring that you receive prompt and effective treatment. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide on fighting parasites with natural foods, remember that while these remedies can be highly effective, they should be part of a holistic approach to health. Combining dietary changes with good hygiene practices, regular medical checkups, and a balanced lifestyle will provide the best results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, and any questions you might have, so feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of your body.